Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can install Chrome extensions in Chromium Edge on Windows 10. Chromium Edge is still in beta, so if you want to know how you can get it, visit the link in the description of this video. Once you have Chromium Edge running, what you want to do is click the More Options button at the top right and select Extensions from the menu. At the bottom left, you're going to see this switch called Allow Extensions from Other Stores. Turn it on and click Allow in this confirmation box. That's all you need to do. Visit the Chrome Web Store in Edge and look for an extension to install. I'm going to go with this one, and when I visit it, you can see that there's the Add to Chrome button and it's active. Click it, you're going to be shown the permissions that the extension needs, and after that it's going to install. To uninstall this extension or any other extension in Chromium Edge, what you need to do is you need to click this More Options button at the top and select Extensions from the menu. On the extensions page, you can see all the extensions that are currently installed. Click this Remove button down here and it's going to remove the extension. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.